Students, next topic is the features of receivers. It means that the what features are required in the receiver to show the performance of the receivers. Yeah, or we can compare the various receivers performance with the using of following parameters. Number first is the selectivity, second is sensitivity, and third is fidelity. What is selectivity? Selectivity is the basically ability to distinguish between the two adjacent carrier frequencies. This parameter decided by how perfectly receivers select the desired carrier frequency and reject the other frequency. It depends on the sharpness of resonance curve of tuned circuit. The sharper the resonance curve, the selectivity is much higher. The sharpness of curve depend on Q factor of resonant circuit. As the Q is high, then the selectivity is much better. As we seen in this diagram, the curve 1 is much higher selectivity as compared to curve 2, which have the less bandwidth in curve 1 and curve 2 has the larger bandwidth. So that's why the curve 1 has a higher selectivity as compared to curve 2 because of the sharpness is higher for curve 1. The next parameter is sensitivity. Sensitivity is the basically ability to receiver detect the weakest possible signals. It can perform by RF amplifier and it decided by the gain of its amplifying stages. Number third is fidelity. Fidelity is basically it is the ability to reproduce the faithfully all frequency component of message signal. It is decided by audio amplifier which amplify the audio or original baseband or message signal. That is the various features are required in receivers which can helpful to compare the various uh, receivers.